my name is Allison Cook. I'm a clinical imaging specialist for GE Healthcare. Today, we're talking about image orientation. Now, the symbol that we're looking for is this little smiley face right here. If my patient is positioned supine with their head looking up towards the smiley face, when I take my first image, it should be oriented appropriately. For this case, our patient is positioned prone. Because of that, we will need to orient our image, and I have a marker to help illustrate that. So when I take my first picture, you will notice that the image needs to be flipped so that the right and left are displaying anatomically correct. On our touch control panel, you will notice that there is an R that is backwards. Once you select that icon, it will then anatomically orient your image. Now for this procedure, our patient is facing prone, but their head is away from our smiley face indicator. We'll want to orient our image, but let's first take a picture, see where we're at. Just by looking at this picture, you can see that it is upside down, so we got to anatomically orient it. The way that we would do that is by going to our touch control panel and looking for the upside down R matching our indicator. Once that is selected, our image is now anatomically oriented. Now this is our most difficult patient position. Reason being, our patient is now lying supine, but their head is facing away from our smiley face indicator. This is our opportunity to use both of our image orientation options. I'm going to start out by taking our picture just for purposes of this video. And you can see that this image is not anatomically correct. We are upside down, we are even backwards. To correct this, I'm going to move over to our touch control panel, and you have two options, flipping left to right and flipping head to foot. I'm going to start with the head to foot option, and then one more time we're going to flip left to right. And now your image should be anatomically correct. That's about it for image orientation. Again, just remember this smiley face, that is the best indicator to assist us with anatomically orienting our image.